everyone, welcome to lectures by Aparna. So today let's discuss about encoders. If we are having 2 raised to n input lines for the encoder and n output lines, what does an encoder do? So let's take the value n is equal to 3, and in that case 2 raised to n will be 2 raised to 3 equal to 8. So it will have 8 input lines and 3 output lines. If this is a decoder, so at the output there are 3 lines. Input there will be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines at the input. This is an 8 by 3 encoder. Let these be outputs A, B and C, and let this inputs be D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. So at a time, only one of the inputs of these become high. So suppose if D0 is high, all these inputs will be 0. So in that case, at the output we will get the data 0, 0, 0. Now when D0 is 0 and D1 is 1, at the output we will get another code, that is 0, 0, 1. Likewise, for each value that is coming at D2, D3, D4 etc., we get corresponding code at the output, and this is what encoder does. So let's write the truth table of the encoder. Truth table. So that it will have 8 inputs and 3 outputs. Okay. These are the inputs and these are the outputs. A, B, C, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. Now the first case is when D0 is high and all these are 0. In that case, ABC will be 0, 0, 0. Next case will be when D1 is high, all the others are 0. In that case, the output code that we get will be 0, 0, 1. Next is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. The next code word will be 0, 1, 0. Next is 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0. In that case, it will be 0, 1, 1. Next is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. The output will be 1, 0, 0. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. In each case, any one of the input will be becoming high and the rest will be 0. Okay, correspondingly we will get a code word at the output. Suppose it is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Then the output will be 1, 1, 0. Next will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Output will be 1, 1, 1. Okay. This is the truth table of a 8 to 3 encoder. Now I have to derive the equation and draw the logic diagram for this. So looking at this truth table, let's see what is the equation for A. A is, in which all cases A is becoming high. So the case 1 is when D4 is high. So D4 plus. Next case is when D5 is high. So D5 plus. Next case is when D6 is high. So D6 plus. Next is when D7 is high. So that is D7. And in which all cases B is becoming high. B is becoming high in this case. It will be, so what is the corresponding input? D2 plus. Next high will be when the input is D3 plus. Next it will become high when the input is D6 plus, and next case when D7 is high. And C will be equal to, in which all cases C is becoming high, it will be D1 plus D3 plus D5 plus D7. Okay. So now let's draw the logic diagram for this. I am having D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. Okay, we are performing OR operations. So I'll have 3 OR gates. Let this be A, let this be B, and let this output be C. So to A, which all terminals are connected? D4 is connected. So D4, D5, D5, D6 and D7. Then to the next OR gate, D2 is connected. So we are having D2, then D3 and D6 and then D7. To the third OR gate, D1, D1 is here, D3, D5 and D7. Okay. So this is how this encoder is implemented using logic gates. Let's discuss about decoders. What is a decoder? So a decoder converts binary information from n input lines to 2 raised to n output lines. Okay. So if n is, suppose we are considering n is equal to 3, then 2 raised to n is equal to 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. That is, from 3 inputs it takes binary information and converts it into 8 and gives it to 8 outputs. That is what a decoder do. So let's take the case when n is equal to 3. So we are having a 3 by 8 decoder and we are having 8 outputs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 3 inputs. Let this be A, B and C. This is D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. So when ABC is 0, 0, 0, when A is 0, B is 0, C is 0, then any one of the output will become high. So D0 will become high. Okay. And now when it changes the state to 0, 0, 1, D0 will become 0, D1 will become high and all others will be 0. Now when it is 0, 1, 0, D3 will be high, all others, D2 will be high, all others will be 0. Likewise, we have to write the truth table for all conditions of ABC. So let's write the truth table. We are writing the truth table. So these are the inputs and these are the outputs. A, B, C. This is D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Now let's fill the truth table. When ABC is 0, 0, 0, D0 will be high, all other terminals will be 0. When it is 0, 0, 1, D0 will be 0, D1 will be high, all others will be 0. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. D3, D2 will be high, all others will be 0. 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. D4 will become high. All others will be 0. For 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. D5 will become high. These two will be 0. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. D7 will become high. Okay. Now we have to write the expression for each D0, for each output, that is D0, D1, D2. So D0 will be equal to A bar, B bar, C bar. D1 will be equal to A bar, B bar, C. Likewise, till D0 we have to write. D2 will be equal to, I am having the truth table here. So D2 will be high when the inputs are A bar, B, C bar. D3 will be high when the inputs are A bar, B, C. D4 will be high when the inputs are A, B bar, C bar. D5 will be high when the inputs are A, B bar, C. D6 will be high when the inputs are A, B, C bar, and D7 will be high when the inputs are A, B and C. Now let's draw the logic diagram for this. So I am having A is complemented, A bar, and then B is complemented, B bar, C is complemented, C bar. There will be 8 AND gates. I have to draw 8 AND gates here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These will be D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. I have to take the inputs from these terminals. D0 is A bar, B bar, C bar. So I will give this A bar, B bar and C bar to D0. D1 will be A bar, B bar, C. So I will take this A bar, B bar and C. Then to D2, A bar, B, C bar. To D3, A bar, B, C. A bar, B and C. To D4, A, B bar, C bar. A, B bar and C bar. To D5, A, B bar, C. A, B bar and C. Then to D6, A, B, C bar. A, B and C bar, and to D7, A, B, C. To D7, A, B and C. So these will be the outputs of D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. And they are implemented using logic diagram like this. Okay. If this video has helped you, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.